Can I use my smartphone as a remote and access the menu on my Samsung Smart TV?
Welcome to another video where we are going to explore the fascinating world of technology. Today's topic is about how to use your smartphone as a remote for your Samsung Smart TV. You might be wondering, is that even possible? Well, the answer is a resounding yes, and we're here to show you how.
Why would you want to do this?
Well, to begin with, the first question we need to ask is, why would anyone want to use their smartphone as a remote? A TV remote is pretty straightforward and works well, right? That's true, but sometimes we misplace our remotes or perhaps the batteries run out, and you don't have replacements on hand. Using your smartphone as a remote is a fantastic backup plan. It's also more convenient as most people always have their phones nearby.
What do you need?
Let's now look at what you'll need. First, you need a Samsung Smart TV. Secondly, you need a smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android phone, both will work. Lastly, make sure your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
How to set up your smartphone as a remote?
Here comes the exciting part. We're going to set up your smartphone to work as a remote control for your Samsung Smart TV. First, download and install the Samsung SmartThings app from your respective app store. Once installed, open the app. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a Samsung account. Next, you'll want to add your TV to the SmartThings app. Click on the plus sign, choose Device, then select TV, and finally choose Samsung. The app will start to search for nearby devices. Make sure your TV is turned on. Once the app finds your TV, you need to add it. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. After successful pairing, your smartphone can now be used as a remote control for your Samsung Smart TV. You can access the menu on your TV just like with a standard remote, adjust the volume, change channels, and even use voice commands. And there you have it. Now you know how to use your smartphone as a remote for your Samsung Smart TV. It's pretty straightforward and can be a real lifesaver in a pinch. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to seeing you in our next tech exploration. Until then, happy navigating!